If you want to completely disable Gemini or Google Assistant on your Google Pixel 10, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now afterwards, we want to tap on our profile over here at the top in order to go to Google Services. And we're going to switch to All Services and then scroll down until you find Search, Assistant, and Voice. Over here, you want to choose Google Assistant, even if you use Gemini. And if you actually use Gemini, then before you move on to the next step, you want to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant and confirm your choice. Now, afterwards, what we can do is scroll further down in order to find the general option, and then over here, we can disable Google Assistant. We can tap on the switcher to completely turn it off. And there we go. Now, for example, if I try to press and hold the power button, as you can see, it is deactivated. I cannot really use it. And besides that, of course, we should be able to disable the power button shortcut. And to do so, in the settings, we need to scroll down to System. And then over here, go to Gestures. Now we have press and hold power button, and you can switch from Digital Assistant to Power Menu. So now if you press and hold the power button, you will actually open the Power Menu instead of using the Gemini or Google Assistant. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.